So, welcome to this third and final episode. Today we will discuss more about different kinds of response. And to help me discuss this, I have Rodrigo Martins with me, Sales and Application Engineer. Welcome, Rodrigo.
Hello, Chris.
We have Patrik Martinsson, Chief Project Manager. Welcome, Patrik.
Thank you.
And, of course, we have Anna Wideman from Global Parts and Services. Welcome, Anna.
Thank you.
So, to start with, I am a genset builder. What should I do to make my genset work as best as possible? I turn to you, Rodrigo, from an application point of view.
Okay, Chris. In order to make your genset as best as possible, all the Volvo Penta guidelines and technical recommendations must be followed. It's really important. And also, Volvo Penta has a bunch of documentations ready to be shared with our partners. We can name them: 2D drawings, 3D models, installation manuals, installation instructions, a general installation summary, and more. But I would like to emphasize the importance of a document here called Technical Data Sheet, which basically contains the engine performance and engine limitation. When it comes to performance, we have data about cooling system, so cooling performance is in there, load acceptance data is in there, also performance, power output is in there. When it comes to the limitation, we have information about coolant flow, about the restriction of fuel lines, back pressure, so it's in there. So it's really important that when you're designing your machine, you have this document on hand. And not only that, when the machine is ready, you're testing it, it's crucial that you cross-check the final results to what you have in this document. By looking at the results and technical data, you'll be sure that your machine is fulfilling all the requirements, and then Volvo Penta ensures that this engine will deliver its best performance as possible.
Okay, so I have followed all of your instructions, limitations, recommendations, etc. And I have my genset. It has been running for a few years, let's say, but all of a sudden it doesn't fulfill my requirements. So what do I do now? Help me.
Yes, I would say you should always contact your local dealer. But sometimes, if it's impossible due to rental companies, construction sites, or relocation, you can always take advantage of using our Volvo Penta Action Service.
Okay, can you please explain a bit more? What is Volvo Penta Action Service?
Yes, absolutely. Volvo Penta Action Service is our breakdown service with global 24/7 support and in 28 different languages. This help desk will put you in contact with the best located dealer, and it will also support you all the way throughout the case to make sure that you get the support that you need.
Okay, so you have dealers, you have service centers, etc. It's everywhere around the world. It's several of them, but how do I know that they fulfill the prerequisites or standards that covers my needs?
Well, being part of the Volvo Group, I would say that we have one of the most efficient global parts distribution network in the industry. We can ensure you the right part at the right place and at the right time. And by that we also ensure that our service dealer have 90% of all frequent used parts available thanks to our inventory management system with automatic dealer stock refill. And for low frequent used parts, we have 18 warehouses spread all over the world and on all continents with an emergency delivery service if needed.
Okay, thank you. Anyone else?
Yes, we also have engines, basically standardized engines that we have in stock all over the world, from D5 up to D16, our biggest engines, in order to make sure that the customer can get an engine very, very quick. So we are able to basically deliver the next day.
Great, thank you. So I feel confident now that you can help me if something happens and how to install. But one important thing with my genset, for example, is that the load acceptance. That's a crucial part. Something fails in the grid or whatever, and then I need quick power. How do you secure a good load acceptance or response, engine response?
It's the same for all our products, both when the products that we have in the portfolio today and also when we develop new products. We always fulfill ISO G3 standard in order to make sure that we can cope with the load acceptance and also the demands from the customer to make sure that we have a stable electric power all the time.
Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for all your insights, your comments, and yeah, sharing your knowledge with us. So, thank you very much for joining in. See you next time.